welcome to Today on the Green.
We're your hosts. I'm Bridget, and that's Evie.
So, over the weekend,
We
went
went
to
to
a theater festival. Yay! People won.
And we didn't.
We didn't win. Yeah, but it's okay.
It's okay.
We did good.
Yeah. You know, it's so subjective.
Yeah.
Still just point of view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, today is Monday, and starting off the week strong, it's raining outside. Yeah, it's gray and cloudy.
In California, you know, they decided such a bright, fun idea. Because, you know, California, we always have such nice weather. It never rains. So they built all the schools outside. But guess what, California school builders? It's raining. And we don't know what to do. And we can't figure out if our tears are tears or if it's the rain or if it's both.
It's really cold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, California. Anyway, tonight at 6 p.m. in the library, FAFSA is having a workshop for financial aid. So, if you need some financial aid, you need some help, go to the workshop tonight.
Go to it.
Go to it.
Another thing coming up, well, tonight we have a rehearsal,
Yeah.
but tomorrow is Cabaret night.
Woo!
So, yeah, the choir students were just singing some songs.
Mhm.
I'm in it. Other people are in it.
She's in it.
So, if you want to have fun, hear
Yeah.
people sing, come. You might not like it. You might like it, I don't know, $5.
$5.
You could
Really
get it at
cheap.
the door because they're probably not selling them anymore.
Really,
but
really cheap for good singing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go to the door, get them, and watch us.
Yeah, watch. I'm gonna watch.
Yeah.
So you should too. And that's it.
Yeah.
We don't. It was really just us talking this episode,
Yeah.
but it's okay because people like us. I think.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we're totally not just the Today on the Green girls. We have names. That's right. But you know, whatever.
Well,
That concludes today's episode of Today on the Green. Come back tomorrow to see what happens today on the Green tomorrow.
yeah.